my name is Deb Mahaffey and I'm a divorce attorney in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how do you get information that you need for your attorney to help you in your divorce case. In a divorce case where there are assets and liabilities, it's very important that you provide your attorney with as much information about those assets and liabilities as possible. A lot of people ask me where they can get that information, and a good place to start would be to start online. For example, if you have bank accounts that are owned by you or the other party in your case, you can go online and get your bank statements fairly easily in most cases. If you have to go back several years and get bank statements, you may have to make arrangements with the bank and pay a nominal fee. But in most cases, those statements are available easily online. As far as vehicles are concerned, a lot of people will get on kellybluebook.com or any other online valuations service that is free. There are a lot of counties that also have your deeds and mortgages available for free on their Recorder of Deeds website. If your county where your home is located at does not participate in a free deed website, you can go onto a separate paid website called Landex, LANDEX.com, and pay a small fee to pull up your deed and mortgage information to give your attorney. Sometimes people have a hard time getting information if they're not the owner of an account or they don't know much information about the finances in their case. And if that is so, then your attorney can serve what's called discovery on the other side. Now, this is something you want to talk about in detail with your attorney before you get involved in this, because it can be very expensive. And a lot of times if you serve discovery on your spouse, that they will ask their attorney to serve discovery on you, and that means you have to spend a lot of time tracking down information and answering questions that are mandatory. But essentially what discovery is mandatory questions, mandatory document requests that you will have to put together and provide to your attorney to send to the other side, and you have to answer under oath that they are true and correct. Again, this can be a very expensive process, but sometimes it is necessary if you don't have possession of the information or if your spouse will not give it up willingly. A lot of times in my divorce cases, what I will do is I will approach the other attorney and ask if we can agree to exchange information voluntarily. Sometimes that's the best solution because it doesn't cost as much money, and if I'm willing to give something to the other side, a lot of times they're willing to give it to me. This isn't the case in every divorce case, but it's certainly worth the effort for the attorneys to have that conversation. There are other ways in which you can acquire information in your divorce case. The best thing for you to do is sit down and talk with your attorney, make a list of all the financial assets and liabilities in the case that existed on the date of separation between the parties, whether they're owned jointly or individually, and start working on getting documentation of where those assets came from and what their values are. If you have any questions about how to work on getting information in your divorce case, you can give me a call at 717-774-1357 or go out to our website at www.heinemlaw.com.